Morning,
Patient Sanchez.
May I sit down, Doc?
Yes, sure. You may. So, what's your full name, sir?
Mark Angelo Sanchez, Doc.
It's good to meet you. I'm your doctor for today. I'm Dr. Lau Lau, and I'll be taking care of you, whatever your concern is. So, what brings you in today? So, mga itong problema?
Dok, luya ka ayaw ko, Dok. Penang binuhod kayo kung tiil. And kung always kung feel dito. And it affects my daily activities. So that's why naka-try ko isip ko sa commitment.
So, imong games mo?
Yes.
Nakay ko sa may ibati kong layo na sa nila. Para kay Lanti?
Wala.
Ubos,
Wala.
Luya lang yung pangati. So dili lang po na mixer?
Dili.
Or na history?
Dili. Wala ko kuan sa among family daw. And dili ko anemic. It's just recently lang po. Naka-feel ko ngayon yung symptoms.
So when yung last hospitalization?
Kasi it's 5 years
5 years
ago.
ago. What reason?
Due to one of the food poisoning. So it's not related sa mga ibang.
Any family history na nakabati o binana?
Wala po.
Wala po. So, kung saan man imong course of medication, i-exam mo siya pagkuhan?
Sige lang po, rest daw.
How long na ba yung gani?
It's just,
When did it start?
I think it's 3 days na.
3 days. So, ano work ka na overall? Nag-rest na din ka?
Oo.
Wala yung
So I
supplements?
think vacation leave lang daw sa work.
Vacation leave, wow. Sayang.
Sige lang po.
So, kung ano, wala ra kay i-take any wala ra kay i-take, nag-rest lang ka. Okay. So, ay hapa din ka nag-anniversary.
Yes.
Kasama niyo mong uban.
It's just me alone daw.
Sad. Kaya ra.
Yes naman daw. It's just 1 year away na po daw.
Did you drive here or nag-anak?
Commute lang daw.
Sige. So, ano kaya medical history na for anything? What's empathy? So, what's your line of work, man?
I'm currently in Manila virtual assistant. So my duty is night shift. So I started at 9 p.m. and end siya at 5 a.m. So, ano po? So, it's really because kung alam mo sleeping habit.
So,
Pero I just want to consult our initial.
so karon naman, how long have you been a dental assistant?
It's been 2 months.
2 months. So, of course, the mga was na adjust. So, it's good to know na so, most likely fatigue.
Yes.
And, pero, kasi na yung mga underlying causes, that's why I'll have to arrange for you to see or for you to have laboratory tests. Wala mo may family history, no? Any sickness, high blood, diabetes. Wow, perfect. So, still, I'll have you go through laboratory test. Let's see if any mga electrolytes still good. Kung ano ka, regular mga ganun, makawater or hindi.
Yes. I finish.
Hydrate.
Yeah, I finish 1 liter every day a day.
So, komentary lang ka, ngayon na siguro na gagawa mo ang napaminod ka. Hindi na po ka napaloob.
Kung ano daw ka na lipo,
Kaya, kaya ano ka, night shifter man ikaw, 2 months pa, your body adjust siguro. So, I'll request some CBCs and chemistry tests. And if okay ra ang results, or if not, then further testing. Okay, but I guess parang siguro, let's hope na it's just a new line of work. So, I'll have my assistant carry on with the request. Then, ito naman sa laboratory, na ask them how many ko ha. Most likely mga 2 hours. Makuha ng mga results. Balik ka sa ako okay? Look for my assistant para mag-deliver ka na. For now, virtual ka, balik ato ka sa laboratory. Malabit ka. Okay? Okay, ayahan ako makuha ng result. For now, wala sa electrolyte, nakita ko yung electrolytes para makakuha ka na kahit ko na yung energy. Then, let's check on your mobility. You'll manage with your line of job, how you will be able to take care of yourself with that such job. Pwede man siguro, makuha na din na night shift din na.
Just no fire.
International.
Huwi na kayo.
So, sige lang, mag-check sa kasi mga laboratories that will manage with tagaan ng supplements and vitamins siguro, and if ever man galing may problems sa mga laboratories with medication. Okay. 2 months forever. Wala siguro, ato lang pa sa ako ang